Hey everybody, this is Todd from S&S Cycle. Every exhaust system we sell meets the SAE J2825 standard for noise. One of the ways we do that is with a dB reducer. This is the dB reducer for our 4.5-inch muffler body products, which include Mark 45 and Sidewinder 2-in-1 systems. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install or remove that part. This is our Sidewinder 2-in-1 end cap. It's very similar to our Mark 45 slip-on product, and as you can see, we have the dB reducer, and I'll show you how easy it is to insert and install. This simply just goes in the back, and there's two bolt holes that we align to install the product. With the dB reducer installed, the sound level is 96 dB at 2000 RPM and 92 dB at idle, from 20 inches away using a sound meter. Alright, so that's all there is to installing or removing your dB reducer. If you found the video helpful, give us a like. If this is your first time here, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And for more product information, visit sscycle.com.